Hi guys, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer breakfast potatoes. This is actually one of my favorite things to make in the air fryer. They're so quick and easy, and this is the perfect recipe if you are an air fryer beginner. First, you're going to need 2 russet potatoes, some olive oil, salt, garlic powder, pepper, and smoked paprika. Start by preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees. And then while the air fryer heats up, go ahead and cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes or chunks. Next, put the potatoes into a bowl and add the olive oil, pepper, salt, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. And then give that a good stir until the potatoes are well coated. Next, place the potatoes into the preheated air fryer and cook between 12 to 15 minutes. And just be sure to check on them at the halfway mark, around 7 minutes, to give the air fryer basket a good shake. Once the potatoes are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer, place them on a serving platter, and enjoy. Now you can enjoy them plain, or you can dress them up. I like to put egg, cheese, some sour cream, some scallions, and then some sriracha sauce. Thanks for watching.